Or what's up, everybody? The High Roller Early Bird. We're full. It's break 3411. This is a massive break. It's got 2020 Optic FOTO on there. This could be absolutely monstrous. 7 times your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and double check. 4 and 3 is 7. Right there. The Eagles up top, the Broncos up top, or at the bottom. Eagles are a big squad. It's got 2020 Optic in it. Get off there. Now we go 7 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 4 and 3 is 7. Right there. Terry Steck up top, Craig Southard at the bottom. Well, Terry, you got the Eagles. It's one of the big teams. Let's sort these out. They all sorted but the Eagles. Eagles stayed up top. Good luck, guys. Massive break here. Good luck. Schwink's good. All right, contenders 19 goes next. Good luck here, guys. Good luck. High Roller Early Bird. Check that High Roller Early Bird out tomorrow. 18 National Treasures. Make sure I got the right box here. Let's get the right one. That was only hobby. Let's get the FOTL. 3411. Let me double check myself. I want to make sure I'm getting you guys the right product. It is 2020 FOTL. This is massive. Good luck. I haven't opened 22 Prism in a minute. Watch us pull the manga. Again, fly through the base. Fireworks of Jahan Dotson. Blue Wave 199 Aaron Jones. Again, guys, take your spots in 33.98 Eric Eazy and Sam Williams. 33.98, guys. 7 left. It's 2 full-size helmets. There's only been 1 out of the case. First one was Trey Lance, Niners. Sweet-ass helmet. Kenneth Walker, Jermaine Johnson. Silver of David Montgomery. First ink for the Browns, 21 out of 75 on the green scope, Jerome Ford. Cleveland Browns and Joe Holloway. If Spencer was breaking, he'd be trying to buy it. Velus Jones, Pascal Pollard. Got purple ice on the back. Brilliance of Najee. Purple Ice of Devin McCourty. 47 out of 225 for the Pats. Again, guys, take your spots in 33.98. That break will go tonight. There's just 7 left. If everybody takes one, we'll be oversold by 11. Prism break of Kenny Pickett. Curtis Samuel to 125 for the Commanders. Fedarian Mathis and Ty Chandler. Got Red Wave coming. George Karlaftis. Chiefs, I'm sorry, on the silver. Carson Wentz to 149 Commanders, Red Wave. Sam Howell on the Rook for the Commanders. And Daniel Bellinger. He caught a touchdown the other day. Catching up on some loading. Show me gold, show me black, show me something, let's go. Show me manga. Silver throwback of Josh Allen for the Bills. Buffalo and Joe Holloway. Fedarian Mathis on the purple cracked ice to 225. Damian Pierce and Daxton Hill. Again, guys, take a spot in 33.98, and I'll give you 3 pulls from the pull box. 3 of them. Let's get that helmet break off. Lewis Sign, Romeo Dobbs. You get 3 pulls. Take one in 33.98. Brilliance of Jamar Chase and Darius Slay Jr. to 249 Eagles. Fly, Eagles, fly. Again, take one 33.98. It's the 2-box helmet break. I'll give you 3 pulls from the pull box. That felt thick. Blue Wave of Charles Cross, 199. That next box is going to be fire. Isaiah Pacheco, nice one there, Chiefs. His stuff does well. Again, 4 packs left. 4 packs left. Got Orange Wave coming. Hype of Jamar Chase on the Prism. Nick Mangold to 60. 26 out of 60 for the Jets. Devin Lloyd and Jalen Tolbert. Again, guys, 3 packs left and on to the big boy box. Emergent of Sky Moore. Got Orange to 249 of Kayvon Thibodeau. Durant and Bailey Zappi. 2 packs left. Good luck on these 2. Get a few more loaded up here. Come on, gold and freaking orange. CeeDee Lamb on the silver. J.K. Dobbins to 249 all day. J.K. Likely and Brian Robinson Jr. 1 Prism pack left, and then we go into the big 2020. FOTL. Again, guys, take a spot in 33.98. There is just 7 spots left. You take a spot in 33.98. I'll give you 3 pulls from the pull box. Green Scope, Marshawn Lattimore to 75. Saints. 58 out of 75. George Karlaftis. Silver of Deontay. Bottom of that card is butchered. Look at that. It's peeling. Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. Minnesota and Tom Hall. Tom, I can send you I'll send you a wrapper with this, Tom. I'll send you one of the wrappers. You can get that replaced. Get that replaced, buddy. I'm going to send you a wrapper with your package there. Let me load up some cards. Again, we're getting into the 2020 FOTL. Good luck to everybody. Eagles for Terry Steck. Who's got the Bengals? Derek Schwenk, you got a good team, the Bengals. Chargers, Tom Hall. There's a lot of other good teams here. Good luck, guys. 2020 FOTL. Do a pack at a time. Again, guys, good luck. Bosa, Phillip Rivers, My House, Julio, and Brian Edwards Jr. Odell, TJ Watt, Ryan Kerrigan, and whoever that was. Case or Cesar Ruiz. Kerrigan to $2.99. Amari Cooper, hollow of Quintez Cephas. And Xavier McKinney. I think we got our ink there. I'll save that. Jay Jetta on the rated rookie for the Vikings. Josh Allen, Michael Thomas, Dominators of Mahomes and Chase Young. Mahomes Dominators and not numbered. Should be your other auto. Got a couple backwards ones there. Darrell Taylor. Parker Retro Series to 49. Randall Cunningham on the ink. Eagles and Terry Steck. We did get a rated rookie of Joey B for the Bengals, Cincy. and Derek Schwenk. Go, Derek. And let's hit a downtown. Ross, Blacklock to 299, Texans. And Cephas. The rookies, Justin Herbert for the Chargers. And A.J. Epineza. Hitter, the rookies, Herbert. We hit a base of Burrow. Let's hit a big auto. Hollow of Aaron Donald and Jeff Okuda. Hollow of Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. And Marlon Davidson. Colts hit Craig Southern. He might have a big year. Richardson's got a big arm. See how well he does. Julian Okwara to 179 for the Lions. And Kyle Duggar. Come on, downtown. Pink Velocity of DJ Chark, 76 out of 79. And Devin Asiasi. Cole Kmet for the Bears. Again, guys, looks like we got 3 packs left. I got the 2 autos, I believe. I think 2 autos down, or one. They're both backwards. Is there 3 autos in this box? It says 1 autograph, so we already got our auto. Those are just backwards cards. What the hell? Hollow of Scary Terry. I got 2 backwards cards. I don't know what's up. Might just be color. Might just be Panini being Panini. Because we did hit our auto. It was Randall Cunningham. K.J. Hamler, 10 out of 25. It's going to be the Purple Stars. 10 out of 25 Purple Stars of K.J. Hamler. Or I'm sorry, 1 out of 25 K.J. Hamler. Again, guys, these are probably just going to be Purple Stars. We already hit our auto, so good luck. Dwayne Haskins. 29 out of 50, Brian Edwards for the Raiders. We did get 2 autos. So let's find 1 auto. We get 2 autos. We'll let this one be auto 2. Jalen Johnson. Cooper Kupp. Good luck. 10 out of 50. Ashton Davis for the Jets on the purple. We did get an extra auto. We didn't hit any of the big boys. A recap again, guys. 33.98 just has 7 left. Edwards, Purple Stars auto to 50. K.J. Hamler to 25. Herbie, Burrow, Randall Cunningham on the Retro Series Inc. We got extra auto. Again, guys, 33.98. Every spot you take, I'll give you 3 pulls from the pull box. Chatter Drop does go next. Viewership stays up. I'll do a Chatter Drop on Breaker's Delight. Again, guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. High Roller Bird is in the box. Again, guys, take your spots on 33.98.